Hello, report is stone masonry. Description of stone masonry. Common stones used locally. Types of stone masonry or local use. Advantage and limitation of stone masonry. Stone masonry is a construction method that bonds natural stone with mortar and is recognized as one of the oldest form of masonry globally. Ang stone masonry ay pagtatayo ng pader o istruktura gamit ang bato na pinagdikit-dikit ng semento. Locally used stone is a area likely Camarines Sur, Naga as a per user location context. Two common stone types are utilized. Yung mga yung mga bato na galing sa river, sa mga sapa, like pwede sa dagat is makikita natin siya sa Naga, Camarines Sur. Halos marami pa rin gumagamit sa kanila nito na river stone. Like volcanic stone. Rubble masonry is a cost-effective, durable construction technique using undressed or roughly dressed regular stone bond with mortar or dry set to build walls, foundation, and retaining structure. Ang rubber masonry, yung mga bato na hindi pantay pero matibay pag ginawang pader, pwedeng haluan ng simento, lain. Random rubble masonry is a cost-effective, durable construction technique using undressed or roughly dressed stone or regular shape and size bonded with mortar. Ideal for foundation, boundary walls, and retaining walls. It requires skilled placement to ensure strength by avoiding long vertical joints and using long stone for proper bonding. Ito naman yung bato na na pantay-pantay na na ginagawa rin siya sa pader. Kumbaga style lang na pagkakagawa ng pero mas maganda yung ganto para parang mas matibay kaysa sa new style ng new generation ngayon na mga CHB ganun. Ashlar masonry is a highly refined, durable, and expensive form of stone construction characterized by meticulously cut, square-edged, and uniformly sized stone blocks. Due to the high cost of materials and skilled labor, its use in residential construction is generally limited, often restricted to exterior banners, accent, or high-end luxury homes. Ito naman yung parang bricks na bato na karamihan ginagamit sa mga mayayaman, pero actually hindi naman siya pang mayaman, pero mas parang pang mayaman yung niya, yung pagkakagawa. Karamihan din ginagamit to pa mga bricks sa mga residential. Ganyan. Stone masonry is a commonly for French wall. Mga bato na parang mga tipak na pero pantay-pantay pag ginawa na sa wall. High durability, resistant to weathering and wear over time. Maski nagbabagyo is masarig man gihapon ang irugsad to na pader. Aesthetic appeal. Natural stone provide unique visual character. Maganda siyang tignan, magandang tignan siya kay ang mga natural na na bato ang ginamit. Low maintenance, requires minimal upkeep compared to other materials. Kumbaga, maski di mo na siya masyado pakatamanon, hindi siya pares ng mga ngayon na ginagamit ng mga pampader. Talagang kailangan ng plastering, pintura, yung ginagamit na parang bricks na bato is kahit di mo na paganda, kahit di mo na paano, basta may rock formation lang siya, baga napakaganda rin. Labor intensive, demands insignificant manual effort for construction. Kinakailangan daw ng na kailangan ng effort ng kusog san tao para makagibo sa to. Skill workmanship require. Proper installation depend on trained professional to ensure structural integrity and quality. Kailangan daw ng professional na maggibo sa to para makita, para maging masarig nan maging quality ang kaluluwasan. Conclusion. In Camarines or Naga stone masonry using locally sourced river and volcanic stone stand and enduring construction practice. With application in walls and landscaping, it delivers strong durability, natural charm, and low upkeep. Taught and requires skilled workers and significant manual effort. Its unique benefits ensure it remains a trusted choice for both functional and aesthetic local project. Sa Camarines Sur and Naga is hanggang ngayon, gumagamit pa rin sila ng mga stone masonry na mga stone sa sapa and sa volcanic stone. Yan.